Okay guys, good morning. My name is Mr. Roy. I'm from BINUS Serpong. We about to embark our trip a local university around Java and hope this journey with Fuya is going to be our excitement and fruitful journey for us.
Okay, to summarize our first visit, we went to the University of Indonesia that is located in Depok, Jakarta. During our visit to the university, we went to two different faculties. First is the Faculty of Psychology, and the other one is the Faculty of Engineering. Additionally, during our visit there too, we also learned about what the classes would feel like, and during the psychology, we learned various information about psychological facts. But when we visited the Faculty of Engineering, it's more focused on chemical engineering and also bioprocessing engineering.
Today we had our second day in Bandung. So first of all, we went to ITB Ganesha. There we learned actuarial sciences. After that, we went over to ITB Jatinangor. There we were invited to the lab where we treated some water from a real river and we got to see how water treatment works firsthand. It's really cool to experience all of this as a hands-on activity. I feel like it was very valuable to me and I did really enjoy environmental engineering. After that, we stopped over at an angklung workshop. At the angklung workshop, we used rotan and bamboo to create our own angklungs, which we got to keep. It was actually really fun. We learned how to play the angklung. We had this really nice guide who taught us how to play using hand signals. I thought that was really cool.
So for the third day, we went to BINUS at Bandung and we learned about interactive technology and design. However, the overall experience was quite fun and I found the lectures and the tour we had around the campus really engaging and fun.
And today, Immersion, we went to UGM, the Department of Health Information Management. Then after that, we went to the Public Policy faculty. Right after that, we went to the Conservation Prambanan, where we get to fix bricks, clean the stones. It was really fun today. I got to learn new things, how people fix the Prambanan behind the scenes, and get to see the Prambanan.
Today's activity is that we got to go around on-air campus and we got to go to one of the faculty and meet one of the lecturers. There we listened to the presentation about the Faculty of Technology.
Bunai! Hebat! Bunai! Hebat! Universitas Airlangga! Excellence morality.
Last day of the immersion, we went to Mount Bromo. We went to the top to see the sunrise, but unfortunately there was a lot of fog, so we couldn't see that well. And then after that, we went to BINUS Malang, in which we attend a workshop on public relations.
To be honest, throughout this whole trip, I feel super duper happy. I am closer to a lot of people, especially in this trip.
And same with Kathleen, I also feel a lot closer with my friends in school and also the kakak from Vuya. And I'm really grateful for this trip.